that is phenomenal and has never happened in the history of 3D printing in any kind of consistent manner. My awesome thing of the year is Bambu Labs. They make 3D printers. So I have a long history with 3D printers. I have been using 3D printers professionally since 2009, I think. So I started working with big, like refrigerator-sized 3D printers, which were not even as bad as they had been in the past, but boy golly, were they terrible. And so we've seen this technology like trickle and change over the years, and there's the man, all these companies have come and go so quickly. But ultimately, what has happened is people are interested in it, companies are interested in it, but it's still fidgety. It's still a very makerspace thing. It's still you have to be like a hyper nerd to be good at it. If you're casual at it, you're going to get a very low return rate, and it's really your hobby then becomes your hobby is not designing things. Your hobby is not building things. Your hobby is maintaining your 3D printer. Like that's terrible.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not going to yuck anybody's yum. If that's your hobby, maybe reconsider your life choices. But I've never had one actually like in my home because I don't want that to be I design things, I build things. I don't need another hobby that is maintaining the thing that gets me there until Bamboo Labs. They were actually founded in 2020. I feel like this year they really got their feet underneath them. The company was founded mostly by former people from DJI. So like there's some really good blood in this company. And what they've done is created a series of printers that range from this is my first time, I have no idea what I'm doing, I've never touched a 3D printer before in my life, all the way up to I run an engineering firm and I need to be able to print out incredibly accurate models very consistently out of any number of crazy materials that I can put through this thing. They are incredibly affordable. And considering the history of 3D printing, that's bananas. But most importantly, they've created a full ecosystem. So you get the printer. The printer is incredibly well designed, incredibly well built. It walks you through all the steps. It calibrates itself. You don't need to know anything. You don't need to understand how any of this stuff works. There's an app on your phone. It supports all the things. So like you take the thing out of the box, you scan a QR code, and then you make an account, and then it starts walking you through, okay, press this button, we're going to calibrate your printer. Okay, press this button. This is how you need to like adjust all this stuff. And by adjust, it's you don't need to do any of it.